Well, we cleared, I gained about 12 feet of pond. We had to clear the cattails out of the pond. And if you can see right where those cattails are at out there, that's where the end of them were. It kind of made a half circle. So originally all this up here was all cattails. And when we bought the house, you know, 4 years ago, I'm like, okay, well, I'll get around to getting it. Well, this year I finally got around to getting the cattails out. But if you look at this stuff, it's all clay. And I'm telling you, this is the worst clay ever. And got my one son running the tractor and the loader. And we just got done with the excavator. And we're trying to clean this thing up, but this stuff is horrible. Absolutely horrible. I mean, you can see it's just muck. It's all clay, like blue clay. And we've been using the 4140, the LS 4140 for, gosh, I don't know, we're going on the second tank of gas, and it just keeps on rolling. We must have made, I don't know, 50 trips so far. But this is a big, huge clay mess. I had to take stuff out over there, over in this corner. And then what I'll do is I'll just rototill this all up, replant it with grass, and hopefully my pond fills back up this summer. But trying to get this stuff clean it's crazy. Clay does not play good with outdoor equipment. Alright, I just wanted to show you that.